the new InSoFast X bracket. This is the 2.5-inch version. Circle side goes out, rib side goes to the wall. All you need for this install is one double-sided adhesive tape and some adhesive glue that goes around the ribs. First step would be putting on these adhesive tabs here, just double-sided tape. Just put on the top side of each bracket. I like to peel off the other side too before I put on the glue. Alright, got those 4 done. Here's what it looks like. Got our tape on top, got our glue in a circular pattern. Let's go ahead and put it on a wall. So, putting these on 16 on center. I have the laser level set up, so I'm putting them nice and level all the way across the wall. Having my marks for 16. I'm going to go ahead and put this first one up. I like to hold it for, let's say, about 5 seconds. The cool thing about these brackets is they have these tabs here to run your electrical wires through, which that'll be shown here. I'll be installing furring strips on the InSoFast X brackets. I'm using a 2x4 stud. I'm using a 1/2-inch piece of plywood as a spacer to hold this bracket off the floor just a little bit. These brackets are spaced 16 inches on center, top and bottom. They're already plumb, so there's no need to use a level for this install. I'm going to get this furring strip here lined up. Get the first screw in. Then I like to come down to the bottom and get this one lined up. Do this other one here. So these 2-inch screws that I'm using work out perfect with this install. They go all the way through the 2x4 and all the way through the bracket with just a little bit sticking past. Works out well. Do this one last one here. An electrician will come in, run his wires.
Hi, my name is Jason Miller. I'm the owner of Vision Electrical Services. Got into the trade, been in the trade since '05. Been doing residential and commercial electrical services, providing for the Omaha area. But today I just wanted to kind of go through the installation we have at this basement install. We traditionally have a 1.5-inch stud that is going to be going right up against a foam wall. With this, we have a little bit different. We have a floating system that attached to the wall, and then the studs attached to that. So what's a little bit nice about this install is it's made for several trades, but for our trade in particular, it helps with electrical install. So with electrical install, traditionally we would have foam that this board goes directly to, and we would have to run our wires up, down, and then up and over to another box. So with this, when they designed these brackets, they designed them to where they actually have a clip and will allow our wires to run right through the wall as if they were a traditional wall that we would be drilling studs through. So that helps secure our wires, and it also allows us to be able to install quicker and get a more efficient quality install with that. Another thing that helps with our electrical install is the boxes. So with a traditional install where you're going to have studs that go right up against a foam and then to a concrete wall, we're really limited on the style of boxes that we can put in. We chose to go with the metal 4 square boxes on this one, but with this install, we really had the option to go with any electrical box that we wanted to for this. This was the style that we chose, but we could have went with any other option for that. So that's one thing that is real beneficial with this style system, is it really allows for the options and efficiency of install.
And after the electrician is done, we'll go ahead and put on spray foam across the whole basement.